Extra light taking the holy back.
Held by the king and this
He's looking at
bird.
himself. You can't see. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights.
Actually, is that you?
Let me see.
Is that you? Is that you?
Hopefully it won't come down.
Is he Charlie? Like, who's that? Who's that?
Are you pretty? Charlie. Here. Say hello to your car.
Can you see? Wow, thank you. Hey! Why'd you do that? Yeah, we can't have that.
You got him. He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. No. It's because of the reflection. Yeah. Get him. Get him. No, because he will fall and he won't. He's even saying yes himself.
He's like, I'm gonna do it. You guys are gonna stop.
Charlie, no. No.
Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I got scared.
He's eating all the Legos.
No, he can't eat the Legos or he'll choke.
He's eating the Legos itself.
Get him, alien.
Get the Lego!
Put him in the bag.
How hard?
Just kidding. No, don't put him in the bag. I'm not gonna say.
Hey! Up!
He's even licking the floor.
Up!
He's like, yeah, but turn on.
You gotta follow the instructions.
Mira, watch out. Watch out. Move.
Push him out.
Everybody put their stuff right now.
Make a wall.
She's gonna knock you down! Oh, so that is how they work. Up, buddy. Up. 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 Up.
This is like Jurassic Park.
Charlie.
I'm
scared.
To get up?
Don't throw a bag on
Charlie.
birds. Don't.
That's bad.
The end of Jurassic Charlie.